Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G50 and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So at the first you have to prepare the good source of light. As you can see in my case I can spot few fingerprints and also some kind of the greasy marks and also few pieces of the dust. So we have to remove it. So right now we have to grab a box with the tempered glass, open it. There's the tempered glass itself, and inside we can also find these two wipes, wet and dry. As you can see, we are going to start from the wet one. So let's open it and clean your screen with this wipe. That's very simple. You have to make a few moves like that. Reach corner, edges, and after a few seconds we get rid of all of this greasy marks, fingerprints and other stuff from our display. So put back the wet wipe and go for the dry one. Open the wipe and then just remove the rest of the wet cleaning. So just do the same, reach corners and edges. And right now my display is in a really good condition. So right now we can simply move for the tempered glass. As you can see in this place we can find this sticker. This sticker is attached with foil. It's right here. We have to grab this sticker and remove it gently, just like that. Do it slowly, you don't have to hurry. Okay, right now we have to keep hold. Just grab the glass like that in the four fingers, hold the top and bottom part. Put at the first the top part of the glass on your screen, just like that. Okay, and press with your finger right here when you put it evenly for both edges. So basically when you put it correctly. Click and hold right here. Next, take a look at the bottom part. If everything is fine, just put the bottom part. And right now you can just take a look on the display. We can press right here in the middle, and I hope that you can see right now that it goes almost automatically, but you can also press on the screen to make it a little bit faster. Okay, as you can see right now the glass is sticking to our display, but we got this kind of the marks under the glass. It's the glue marks, and we can remove them by pressing on them just like that. Take a look. As you can see, they disappear. So I'm gonna to make it right now for the whole screen, and also in this time I'm gonna to turn on the device. I will show you that everything is fine with the touch sensitivity. So to remove this glue marks you have to press on the display.
Hello, Moto.
Okay, and right now when you remove the glue marks, you can take a look on the display. You can check the sensitivity of the display. As you can see, everything is fine, everything works perfect. No problem with the touch interaction when you apply tempered glass. You can also check the front camera, there is no problem. Let's switch to the front camera. Let's click like that. Okay, and okay, right now the camera is turned on. As you can see, with the camera, with our front camera, everything is fine. That's the picture from the camera. Maybe it not looks the best because, you know, there's the flashlight just aiming on the display of the phone. But in the normal scenario, you have to trust me that the photo looks really nice. There's no problem with the front camera. So yeah, that's how you can apply tempered glass on your Motorola Moto G50. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.